A very common conversion or calculation in fluid power or fluid mechanics is the conversion between the pressure head to actual pressure. So pressure, is the force by area. Now, in the previous video, we have explained pressure can be also expressed in terms of the pressure head. That equation is P equals gamma H. Check that equation, how pressure head, how the H, and how this equation is developed. Many times it will be given pressure in terms of height, or in terms of PSI, or in terms of PSF. Typically, in the US system, is in either PSI or in feet of some liquid. For example, let's say the pressure is given as 10 feet of water. So it is using water to measure pressure, and it's a water manometer or something. So it's in 10 feet of water. Simply you plug these 10 feet into the gamma H equation. Water gamma is 62.4 pound per feet cube, and then H is 10 feet given here. So this is 624 pound per feet square. One of the feet will cancel, feet square will left. However, pressure is in fluid power system, pound per feet square is not really that useful. Most pressures are expressed in PSI. So you have to cancel that foot and bring inches. So 1 foot is 12 inch, whole square that. So I found is 4.33 PSI. Similarly, you may be given PSI and you have to find out in terms of certain liquid pressure head. So if you are given P equals to 4.33 PSI, for example, pound per square inch, and then you are asked to, what is this pressure with respect to the head of, if you measure with respect to the head of water? So simply use the same equation, P equal gamma H, and then if the pressure here is given 4.33 pound per inch square, and water gamma is 62.4 pound per feet cube, and then the H that we're trying to find out, you can convert either this foot or this inches. However, we're trying to find feet of water, so it's gonna be easier to convert these inches. We can say 12 inch is 1 foot, whole square this. So you'll find that the H is equal to exactly as 10 feet if you do the calculation correctly. So you may have to go from the PSI to feet of water. This is not just feet, you must write the water within the parentheses to indicate that it is in terms of water head. And then you may be given the pressure head, you may ask to do this.